MARQ How to replace watch band. First, let's go with the rubber band. Pick open the latch to remove the rubber band. Then pick open the latch and fit on the rubber band. The locking mechanism on the metal band is the same. Same for fabric bands and leather band. Next, let's go with spring bars. To take off the spring bar, simply push down the locking mechanism inside the spring bar using a pin punch. Then put the spring bar back in place. Finally, let's see how to shorten or lengthen metal watch bands. We need one watch band pin punch and a 1.5mm wide flat screwdriver. First, remove the threaded pin to separate the band. Then remove another pin. Take off the band link. Put the both sides back together and carefully tighten the threaded pin. As you can see on the new watch, the band is locked at the first pinholes. If customers would like to move to other pinholes, please carefully do this. While inserting the pin punch with one hand, pull out the band with the other at the same time. Pay attention to how deep the pin punch goes, in case the band gets stuck with the pin punch. The spring bar will shoot out once the band link comes off. Now insert the spring bar or watch band to the desired pinhole. Push down the other side of the spring bar with a tool very carefully. Simultaneously push the band in place with the other hand. Thanks for watching.